How to convert images into URL links. So this is useful if you want to share images with other people using a link. So first you will need to open up your internet browser, and then you can either use one of these services like Google Drive that allows you to upload any kind of file, but this will basically require you to sign in with your Google account to be able to use this. You can also do it without basically creating or needing an account by looking up Imgur in a new tab and then clicking on image upload, which is this link right here. And then you can simply drag and drop your image into this box right here. So I'm going to drop it in there and then click on add image, and the upload is now complete. I can basically copy this link right here, and then I can send it to other people. Now if you go to the image link, you should be able to see your image right here. You can also open it in a new tab and directly copy this link to access it like this. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.